What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack's BTT gang. How we doing? How we feeling? We're gonna go over the chart for BitTorrent. Currently, we're sitting at 0.003866. We're down about 0.60% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 2.55 billion. 24-hour volume is 346 million. So, guys, if you're new to Crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. Receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. All right, guys, so we're going to start here on the 4-hour chart. So we broke out of this double bottom, and that price target was met. So that was a nice little trade opportunity for BTT of about, nice little juicy trade. Wow, guys, about 32%. Now we do have another bullish pattern here. I do think Bitcoin is going to correct soon, but we have a bull pennant here. So if you do see us start to break out of this and backtest it as support, it's a pretty juicy breakout. I think we would need to see Bitcoin go up to 47K to see BTT reach this price target, but it would bring you up here to about 0.0051. And then if I drop a line in here, you can see the support in this area, where these wicks came down to. So that is your breakout target. However, guys, Bitcoin is overextended, and I am expecting a correction soon. But if Bitcoin were to head up to about 48K, I think that's when you would see BTT reach that price target. If we look at BTT on the daily, it's looking so healthy for continuation. It's looking really bullish. You can see we've had the bullish cross. Just today, we've had the bullish cross of the 20 EMA over the 55, and we're having the bullish cross of the 20 EMA over the 200, this red line here, which shows tremendous strength for BTT. Projects like BTT and Wink are the projects that just absolutely explode and then correct harder than Donald Trump taking a poo. Oh man, I shouldn't have said that. Oh god, should I leave it in the video? Whatever. All right, guys. So it's very bullish that we're back above the EMA. So even if we do see some correction here, if we find support on the EMAs, it's extremely bullish. I mean, BTT, it's just blown out of the water here since we started to have some recovery here in the market. BitTorrent's up 116%, so absolutely incredible pump. And it pumps hard. BTT, Wink, they pump extremely hard and they correct extremely hard as well. So we'll give some future price targets here. Based off the Fibonacci, if we go from our all-time high down to our swing low, we can give some future price targets for this bull run here. So we have the 1.272 extension, which is at about 0.023, and we have the 1.618, which is at 0.046, and that's a juicy gain from the current price of almost 1,000. Yeah, basically over 1,000%, guys. So incredible time to get into these kind of projects, in my opinion. Now, if we do see that sell-off here with Bitcoin, which I am anticipating happening pretty soon, I'm just going to drop in a zone for support here. So I think in between about 0.032 and 0.030 would be a support range. You see the support in this area here, previous swing lows, there's some support in that area as well. So I do think that could act as a level of support. If we see Bitcoin come down to 42K, 37K here, then that's when we see BitTorrent most likely come down to that level of support there. But if Bitcoin heads up to 47K, I do think a correction is imminent, but that doesn't mean that, we won't see Bitcoin go up to this 47 level of resistance. Then you can see BitTorrent break out of this pattern and possibly head up to 0.051. We also have this level of resistance right here. Be a good opportunity to take some profits at 0.0044. See the resistance in this area, and that's also very close to the previous swing low where this wick came down to. All right, guys, so that's it for BTT. Just wanted to show you guys that pattern. I do think a correction is imminent in the market, so just be prepared. Hey, guys, make sure to sign up to Bybit for up to $1,600 in sign-up bonuses. My absolute favorite platform for leverage trading. And the bonuses end August 18th, so don't miss out. Follow me on social. Check out the Discord. Patreon link in the bio. Peace, guys. See you in the next one. All right, take care.